Hi, I'm Nico, nutrition coach on tirzepatide, and I've been dealing with a lot of hunger recently because I'm speeding up my weight loss. So in this video, I want to go over how I manage hunger before increasing my dose, and hopefully this helps you now or in the future when it comes up. Hunger is something most GLP-1 users don't expect because we usually have the opposite problem, which is we can't eat enough. Now let's talk about the ways I deal with hunger. The first way is how I prioritize my foods during my meals. In this order, I have my pre-meal hydration, protein, vegetables, and then carbs and fats last. Pre-meal hydration means that I drink a lot of water or carbonated beverages before I start eating. Then I have my protein because it helps prevent muscle loss when losing weight. Vegetables have a lot of fiber and they're high volume food, so they keep me full. And sometimes I'll have extra servings of it, especially on days I'm really hungry. And last, I have my carbs and fats. For example, this is one of my average meals. I have a lot of water before I start eating. And then after that, I have the protein and then the vegetables and then the carbs last. Moving on to the things I do to manage my hunger. First, I eat slowly and chew my food. Then I have more solid foods and less liquid calories. For example, I would have more lean protein such as chicken or steak and less protein shakes. Then I have high volume foods and less calorie rich foods. This would be more vegetables and less cakes and donuts. I know this is obvious, but I have a sweet tooth. And on days that I'm more hungry, if I eat, let's say, cake or donuts, then I'm probably gonna have a bad time. Then I eat more bland foods. Before I took a GLP-1, eating bland foods was a way for me to manage my hunger when I was losing weight. I would have unsalted, unbuttered potatoes, and that usually gets me really full really fast. And the last thing I do is I try not to have carbs by itself. Carbs by itself digest faster, which means you'll get hungrier sooner. I like to have crackers for a snack, but if I eat it by itself, then I'll get hungry. So I try to have it with a protein drink. By the way, this peaches and cream flavor protein drink is pretty good. Okay, what I do during the day. I have more water or calorie-free drinks because more liquids means it fills me up. I might have to use the bathroom more often, but that's okay. And the most important thing is I only eat when I'm hungry. I notice I get hungry around 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. So then I shift my meals towards those times. I know this can be kind of hard to do if you have a set eating schedule like work lunches or family dinners, but if you can do this, I recommend you try it out. Okay, now when do I decide to increase my dose? I usually only increase my dose when I did everything I just mentioned, but I can't control my hunger. And I use the meds to get full faster, stay full longer, and reduce hunger, but not completely get rid of it. And if I don't get any of those, then that's when I really consider increasing my dose. This isn't medical advice. This is what I like to do. So before making changes, ask your doctor. And that's it for the video. I hope this helped you figure out what to do when you're hungry. Thanks for watching. Bye.